That trailer? I didn't film a frame, didn't write a shot, didn't open a single editor. I typed one sentence into RoboNeo, walked away, and a full AI production team handed me back a finished short film. And before you say AI slop, wait. Because what these agents did next genuinely surprised me. Stick around. Here's the real problem with AI content workflows. It's never one tool. It's Midjourney for stills, Runway for motion, ElevenLabs for voice, CapCut to stitch it, ChatGPT to write the script, and you in the middle losing your mind switching tabs. That's not automation. That's a part-time job. RoboNeo Agent Teams kill that. It's not one AI. It's an entire production pipeline. A lead writer, a storyboard director, an art director, and a post-production compositing agent, all working on your project in sequence. One agent finishes. The next one picks up exactly where it left off. You give one brief. They ship the finished video. Let me prove it. Okay, so let's get started. Setup is dead simple. Head to roboneo.com, log in, and you land on the dashboard. Two zones, Canvas and Workflow. We're in Canvas. The one we want is Agent Teams. Hit the plus sign at the Agent Team button. That activates Agent Teams mode. You can make different types of video. Advertising and marketing, film/video generation, or social media marketing. Today I'm running two of them. Test 1. Can it make a Hollywood-grade trailer from one sentence? Test 2. Does it actually understand internet culture or just talk about it? Let's start with Test 1. Now I just typed my idea in plain English. No prompt engineering gymnastics. No act as a Hollywood director cosplay. Just describe what you want like you're briefing a person. One more thing. You can drop a reference image, video, or any file if you want a specific character or look. I'm leaving it blank. Let the team build it from scratch. Hit send. Now watch this carefully, because this isn't what other AI tools do. Lead writer activates first, writes the full script, breaks it into scenes, emotional beats, character states, every detail. Done. Now here's the part that surprised me. The storyboard director takes over, and it picks up exactly where the lead writer left off. No reprompting, no context dump. It already knows the entire story. That's not 5 bots in a chat room. It's an actual production pipeline. One agent finishes, hands off. The next one remembers everything and continues, like a real studio. Then, the art director steps in, generates all the base visuals, characters, settings, key shots. If something looks off, you can click the image, add into chat, and type what you want changed in plain English. Make him older, add scars, change the lighting to red, and it fixes it. No fluff, no Photoshop. I'm happy with mine. Hit confirm. Now see Final Agent, Post-Production Compositing, and this one's different. Honestly, this is the part that got me. It doesn't just render the whole video and dump it on you. It creates the video segments, then stops and asks, "Happy with this? Want changes?" You approve, then it stitches everything together into the finished cut. That's huge. Most AI tools spit out a 30-second video, and if one shot is broken, you regenerate the whole thing and burn credits. Here you catch problems segment by segment. You're directing, not gambling. 4 minutes later, this is what landed in my folder. If you'd told me a year ago a single prompt could output that, I'd have laughed. But that's the easy test. Anyone can make a trailer look cool. The real question is, does it actually understand culture, memes, timing, internet humor? Quick question before we get into it. Drop in the comments what you'd build first with this. A trailer? A meme? A product ad? I'm curious. Now let's run test 2. So I asked RoboNeo to recreate a viral scene, but with non-human characters. Check it. It follows the same pipeline as before. Lead writer to storyboard to art director to compositing. Every agent is doing their job. And here's where it gets interesting. That's not just AI that knows what a meme is. That's the AI that gets the joke. The reference, the timing, the wilt, the whisper, it lands. And here's the part I didn't expect. Read that prompt again.
You.
Do you think this is a game? Do you think I'm playing?
Nope. Just snacking. Whoops.
A fry. On the floor. In my kitchen. A fry!
Chef, maybe let's just...
No!
Yes, chef.
The most viral scene trending right now. RoboNeo actually went and searched the live web, pulled the real trending scenes, used it as reference. This is the first AI video tool I've used that can go look at what's hot right now and build around it before the trend dies. So who's this actually for? YouTubers who need B-roll, ads, and intros fast. E-commerce brands who can't afford a $5,000 an ad agency. Designers prototyping campaigns. Anyone running social media solo and bleeding hours into edits. If you've ever caught yourself at 2 a.m. exporting a 30-second clip, this is for you. Links in the description. Go try it. Build something tonight.